Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. The question is if g of x equal to square root of x plus 1 and g of f of x equal to x plus 3 minus square root of x, how to find the value of f of 0. How can we solve this? Before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. From this equation g of x equal to square root of x plus 1, we can write g of f of x equal to square root of f of x plus 1. Let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Comparing both the equations, we can write square root of f of x plus 1 equal to x plus 3 minus square root of x. Now we will put x equal to 0 in this equation. So square root of f of 0 plus 1 equal to 0 plus 3 minus square root of 0. And simplify this, we will get f of 0 square root of f of 0 equal to 2. Taking square on both sides, we will get f of 0 equal to 4. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.